And now to our top story this morning. Georgia joining only a handful of states in opening up COVID vaccinations to anyone 16 and over. In less than 24 hours, no matter your health condition, you can roll up your sleeve for a shot. Governor Kemp making the big announcement just yesterday. This means about 75% of Georgians will be on the list of people eligible to get vaccinated. The little kids are not yet included here. The governor says Georgia's vaccine supplies continue to increase every week. 450,000 doses arriving this week, and more are expected next week. And now the state is preparing to vaccinate even more. They're preparing for a huge wave of people. Joe Ripley joining us live outside Mercedes-Benz Stadium. And Joe, the Benz is part of the state's efforts and also the federal government's efforts to meet this growing demand.
That's right, Sheba. Starting today, 42,000 shots a week. That is the expectation now that FEMA and the U.S. Department of Defense have now aided the Atlanta Fulton EMA in operating the state's largest mass vaccination site. And it comes at a time, one day before Georgia expands its eligibility to include 8 million people.
This is our ticket back to normal.
With Governor Kemp's announcement to expand vaccination eligibility to anyone 16 and older, demand is due to skyrocket. In preparation, FEMA and the U.S. Department of Defense are bringing additional resources to boost operations at Mercedes-Benz Stadium, the state's largest vaccination site. The Benz will have the capacity to administer 42,000 shots a week. Appointments will be open 7 days a week, including evening options for flexibility. You can schedule your vaccination on the Department of Public Health's website. The governor also announced the state received 450,000 vaccine doses this week, expecting more to come next week.
We're going to move the doses to where the demand is, but we can't hold others back because of people's vaccine hesitancy.
And the state is shifting resources, shutting down its mass vaccination site in Albany, where the COVID outbreak was first traced in Georgia. The goal, Dr. Amber Schmidtke says, is to reach herd immunity. But to reach the target 75% of immunization, that would mean everyone who's eligible to receive the vaccine in Georgia takes it.
So I think that we're going to struggle really to get to that herd immunity until we see a pediatric vaccine authorized for use.
Later today, 1,200 staff and faculty, teachers with Atlanta Public Schools are set to get their first dose of vaccination here at Mercedes-Benz Stadium. There are also planned days for Friday and Saturday for those teachers and staff to get their vaccines. It's a trend we are seeing across the metro. Sheba, back to you.